What does money means to you? Is it the freedom, or you want to buy the time, or you want to buy the luxury things to satisfy your inner goals? First of all, I have seen lot of influencers promoting money as like to buy luxury things. Like, I don't say it's bad, but there are, you can consider in two ways. One, you are working hard just to buy material things which you don't require, or you don't want to push yourself, like work harder to buy such luxury items. Rather, you can work hard, or like how all the influencers now say, stop working for the corporates and start building your digital online businesses or your own businesses, and stop working for or being a slave for your bosses. Money means of like it's like it should get freedom to you. Like, for example, you don't need to wake up for the alarm, or the you don't have to rush because you have to, like you have to log in at particular time. So money, for me, money is power or a strong energy for me, which which help me to say no for the things which doesn't align to my life. So for me, money is a power. Actually, I like roaming around. Like, you can see, I like to be with the nature. So I love this, like what we say, the fresh air, where I need not pay for it, like natural. I like the nature you can see around. This is freedom for me. I do like good infrastructure, not the luxury things which we see in some of the countries like Dubai. You feel like, oh, to afford that you need to work hard, you need to have plenty of money. Like, you cannot earn in your corporate life. You need to build your own businesses, but never think or get or take advice from the influencers saying to, because of influencers say that you need to quit the job to become something, like to uh, make your own businesses. I before, like, you have to have a proper plan. The aim, the goals has to be set before quitting any jobs. If you quit the job and if you don't have the plan, and if someone is dependent on your money, all will be all will actually have a problem in the end. So before leaving any job just because someone else is saying that money, the freedom, or the businesses can actually build fulfill your dreams. Some people even promote, like, you have to make money because you have to buy the Range Rover, Defender, Lamborghini, etc. You don't require all those material things. You actually need peace and freedom, where you say no to the boss directly, saying that, okay, you have done plenty of money. You can choose your inner self, your peace, your freedom. Love exactly what you want, because we all people have come through, like, we have come from this village life nature and suddenly moved to the city, and those are the things. Actually, the big businesses, they sell you the luxury, the the infrastructure, the very everything. I know all those require for a easy life and comfort life. At the end, you have so much of time. I don't know where the time exactly goes. So what you have to do, find yourself what exactly you need. Is it the luxuries, or is it the nature, like how I'm feeling right now, or enjoying right now, or like see how the breeze is flowing around here, or or how what exactly you require. So you find yourself. Just because someone else is saying to stop the job, or like stop going to the corporates, you just don't blindly like quit the jobs. You find, make a plan what exactly you want to do in the next 1 or 2 years. Make a budget, see who is dependent on you, on your money, make like have a safety plan, emergency plan for everything, and then choose what exactly you want to do. Because money should be something that it should satisfy your inner self, the peace, the freedom, and not just buying the material things or the luxury things. Because how much ever you, if you buy today one car, you might need one more car in the future. Like, if because the human wants are unlimited, as we already learned in economics, we the humans are very greedy to get plenty of, like, whatever people are selling in the television, the online, or any websites, or anything, or in the front of your eyes, you go and tend to buy all those things. So my humble request is, see what exactly you want to do in life, and not just falling uh, like behind the advice of the so-called influencers. Till then, see you in the next investing mindset lesson. Bye.